Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Room.
Hi, friends. It's great to see you again. How are you today?
We hope you're doing great and ready to learn more English with us.
Because today's lesson is all about family.
Yes, we're going to learn how to talk about your family in English. Your parents, brothers, sisters, grandparents, and more.
This is one of the most common topics in English conversations, and it's perfect for beginners.
Exactly. You can use these sentences when you meet new people, talk about yourself, or write about your life.
So stay with us till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to English Room and click the bell icon so you never miss our easy English lessons. Basic family words.
Let's start with the basic family words. Repeat after us.
Father, mother, brother, sister, son, daughter, grandfather, grandmother.
Great. Now let's say them in simple sentences.
My father's name is John. My mother's name is Sarah. I have one brother. I have two sisters. My grandfather lives with us. My grandmother loves cooking.
Nice work. You can use these sentences to introduce your family members when you talk to someone.
For example, if someone asks, "Tell me about your family," you can say, "There are 5 people in my family. My father, my mother, my brother, my sister, and me."
Let's all say that together. There are 5 people in my family. My father, my mother, my brother, my sister, and me. Talking about how many people are in your family.
Now let's learn how to talk about how many people are in your family.
You can say, there are 4 people in my family. There are 6 people in my family. I have a small family. I have a big family.
For example, I have a small family. There are 4 people in my family. I have a big family. There are 8 people in my family.
Now you try. Think about your family and say, there are 13 people in my family.
Perfect. This is a simple but powerful way to start a conversation about your family. Describing family members.
Let's describe our family members. You can talk about what they do or what they like.
For example, my father is a teacher. My mother is a doctor. My brother is a student. My sister likes music. My grandfather watches TV every evening.
Let's repeat those together. My father is a teacher. My mother is a doctor. My brother is a student. My sister likes music.
Great! You can also use adjectives to describe your family members. For example, my father is kind. My mother is friendly. My brother is funny. My sister is smart.
Adjectives make your sentences more interesting. Now, repeat after us. My father is kind. My mother is friendly. My brother is funny. My sister is smart. Asking and answering questions about family.
In conversations, people often ask questions about your family. Let's learn some common questions and answers.
Question: how many people are in your family?
Answer: there are 5 people in my family. Question: do you have any brothers or sisters?
Answer: yes, I have one brother and one sister. Question: what does your father do?
Answer: he is a teacher. Question: what does your mother do?
Answer: she's a nurse. Question: where does your family live?
Answer: we live in Lahore. Question: do you live with your family?
Answer: yes, I do. Or, no, I live alone. Now let's practice. Repeat these sentences with us. There are 5 people in my family. I have one brother and one sister. My father is a teacher. My mother is a nurse. We live in Lahore.
Excellent! You're doing amazing. Talking about extended family.
Now, let's talk about extended family. That means people like your uncles, aunts, and cousins.
Here are some useful words. Uncle, your father's or mother's brother. Aunt, your father's or mother's sister. Cousin, your uncle's or aunt's child.
Let's use them in sentences. My uncle is very funny. My aunt is a good cook. My cousin is my best friend.
Repeat after us. My uncle is very funny. My aunt is a good cook. My cousin is my best friend.
Great job. Now you know how to talk about your whole family, not just your parents and siblings. Talking about family activities.
Let's talk about what your family likes to do together. You can say things like, we eat dinner together. We watch movies on weekends. We go to the park every Sunday. We visit our grandparents every month.
Let's repeat those together. We eat dinner together. We watch movies on weekends. We go to the park every Sunday. We visit our grandparents every month.
You can also say what you like most about your family. I love my family because we help each other. I love my family because we always have fun together.
Beautiful sentences. Family means love, support, and care. Short role play. Talking about family.
Let's do a short role play to see how a real conversation about family sounds.
Sure, I'll start. Hi, Ben. Tell me about your family.
There are 5 people in my family. My father, my mother, my sister, my brother, and me.
What does your father do?
He's an engineer.
And your mother?
She's a teacher.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, we have a cat. Her name is Luna.
That's nice. What do you like to do with your family?
We like to watch movies together on weekends.
Sounds fun.
And what about your family, Alex?
My family is small. There are 3 people. My father, my mother, and me. My father is a doctor, and my mother is a chef.
Wow, your mom must cook delicious food.
Yes, she does. Practice time.
Now it's your turn. Let's practice together.
We'll ask you questions, and you can answer in English. Ready?
Question 1. How many people are in your family?
Question 2. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Question 3. What does your father do?
Question 4. What does your mother do?
Question 5. What do you like to do with your family?
Excellent. You can write your answers in the comments below. We love reading them.
Let's review everything you learned today.
Repeat these key phrases with us.
1. There are 5 people in my family. 2. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. 3. My father is a teacher. 4. My mother is a nurse. 5. My grandfather lives with us. 6. My cousin is my best friend. 7. We watch movies on weekends. 8. I love my family because we help each other.
Perfect. You've learned how to talk about your family in English, clearly and confidently.
Great job today, everyone. You did amazing work learning to talk about your family.
Yes, these sentences are super useful for speaking, writing, and everyday English conversations.
Remember to keep practicing. Talk about your family with a friend, or record yourself speaking in English.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Room for more fun and easy lessons every week.
Also, write in the comments, how many people are in your family? We'd love to know.
Thanks for learning with us today.
Take care, stay happy, and keep practicing your English. See you next time on English Room. Bye-bye.